There's a big need right now in terms of climate action to address buildings. About 80% of windows in the US need to be replaced or renovated. Andluca Technologies is developing a transparent solar coating for use in wireless smart glass. We use this technology to enable wireless smart glass, which is very helpful for existing buildings, which make up about 40% of the carbon footprint of the US. We're converting ultraviolet light into useful electricity, and there's a lot of things you can do with converting UV light to power in architectural glass. Some of the functions that you can enable within window power are sensing, so you have intelligence of what's going on in the environment and how can I use that information to improve the energy efficiency of the building and the comfort of the occupants in the building. Through industry partnership, we can address architectural glass renovations. So the end user is a building owner or a long-term tenant, like a Fortune 500 company. And the partners in that are going to be architectural firms, engineers that are doing those renovations. So there's this great opportunity to add smart glass functionality while we do these improvements that can increase the operational efficiency of these buildings, lend to the interconnectivity that we're aiming to have to operate more intelligently. Being selected for Luminaid was very exciting for our team. The Luminaid program is helpful doing deep dives on both technology and business, looking at everything from your intellectual property strategy, existing portfolio, how to move that forward, to actual manufacturing resources and partners and personnel, to your investment strategy. And there's a commitment to get you where you need to go. We have an opportunity to light a match and accelerate smart functionality and the incentives to improve your windows.